Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We are back for another week of building this house slowly but steadily. This week I think I'm going to try and finish up this truss bay here, move all of these trusses into place. There are 5 more, so we're going to do one more bay and then the end truss there. And if I can get those moved and start nailing those together, then I think that I will consider that a pretty successful week. So let's get going. Braced off now on the inside, got my temporary cross braces, and so now I should be able to remove these temporary supports that I put up for when I raised the truss pair, and then move those over to the next site where I'm going to lift up the next truss pair. That'll uncover some more of the hangers for me to hang the last of the joists that I can do right now without good bits. So coming along pretty good. All right, so first thing we're testing is these new Spyder bits. People in the Discord that I'm in were kind of raving about them. They're heat treated on the outside and supposed to last longer than the usual bit, but usually that just means it's super hard. So if you're drilling into regular steel, that's probably good. I'm guessing for this application though that this is just going to cause them to break faster. But we'll try it out. Let's see how it goes. I'm also going to be testing out these other longer titanium bits from Cobalt, which is the Lowe's brand. So they're kind of a cheaper looking one, but should hopefully work out. Now the reason that I'm going through with both bits each time is just to make sure that not only are we through the plates, but we're also through the nails on the back side. Looks like that was the right decision that time. Okay. So, on that one, the Spyder bit definitely couldn't reach through it, so I'm glad I had these longer bits. Sometimes, even with the pre-drill, you can't get it through. It's still not quite wide enough to get it through a steel plate. So sometimes the hammer will get it past that. Sometimes you just break the nail. Definitely help. And it broke. Titanium bit garbage. That's why we bought 1 billion of them. They break. Got that second bay all wrapped up. Now I'm going to be taking the trusses over by myself. Now, since I don't have my dad here this time, I'm going to be using the pulley system to pull it along, and so that should make it quite a bit easier. Should be able to make up for the strength that I'm missing and then some. So it's going to be a little bit interesting to pivot everything around when I get inside, but I still think that should work out just fine. So we'll see how this works. Just a quick note, I think one important thing when you are doing this and rolling your second truss on top of this one, if you decide decide to do that, or really any kind of thing with joints, make sure you put supports underneath the joints so that they don't break when you put the new thing on top. That is all. In place. Thankfully, my bones are now hurting, and now I just get to put in 11 billion nails. These hangers are taking a little bit too long, so we're just gonna hit the easy button on this one. There we go. Sweet, all done. I gotta do it again over here. One more time, hopefully. Sweet. Oh crap, I made the sun go away. Now that we got the brackets on these two truss pairs, gotta put this one up. So set that rig up again, pull it up, put brackets on the other side of it. Then we can lift this one up and then get all the purlins in between them. About ready to start lifting. Figured I'd go over the differences this time since I'm doing a fully vaulted truss here. I've got a brace on either side of it just because the center part is a little bit higher, so the brace that I had before didn't quite reach. One other thing, I also put longer blocks here on the bottom on both sides. You can probably see them. That should help the process of going between lifting them up and then putting them over onto the blocking, just because having it all be one surface will make things a lot easier just to slide over. So that should help simplify the process. Alright everybody, we've made some good progress this week and we are definitely on track for getting our trusses lifted up in about 5 weeks. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and if you liked it, please hit that thumbs up button because it helps us a ton. And if you found this content entertaining or helpful, please leave a comment below because we love hearing about all the people doing similar things, or if we've helped you at all. It's a really great pick-me-up in the middle of the week. If you're interested in Barndominiums, DIY, light homesteading, or the debt-free lifestyle, then please hit that subscribe button for weekly videos that rotate between progress updates and more topical stuff that you guys might find interesting. That's it for now. I'll see you guys next week.